Okay, I made sure everything is good. This can only record for 15 minutes. I don't know if it's going to capture the entire fight, but, we're in this now, boys. I did some exploring, did some things. I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, buddy. Wish me luck. Oh, give it a second. Oh. You good, computer? You good, buddy? Dude, it's been so long. Where's the beast? Oh. Oh, yes. There he is. The great Ender Dragon himself. Okay, let's get this done. Got one. Oh God, okay, that's scary. Bro, I am the best. Wait, okay, cool. Come on, let's get up here. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me right now, right? All the minions are chasing him. Jesus Christ. Oh crap, he's right there. He's not gonna be happy with me. And that is why we have death totems. No, not now! Oh, I should have brought more. Oh, hi. Oh, jeez. No. 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 What's all going wrong? It's all going wrong. Okay, you're only expecting this to go perfectly, right? Oh, they're gonna get down here, Bears. They'll hit me off. As I. Come on. Come on. Okay, you get the ones in the cages. Oh, you're hurt. Oh, you're definitely hurt. Excuse you, sir. Okay, I was fully not expecting to be out of cobblestone right away. Not out of cobblestone, out of water right away. So we need to improvise. I have wood. It's something. Okay. I don't need you. I don't need you. Don't need you. You need you. Oh. Oh, you're heated. Oh, you're so mad. Watch his health. Let's get absolutely deleted. Really? Hey, buddy, can you shut up? Jesus, the poor Enderman. Okay, which one's is he healing from? I just gotta watch him. I'm healing it, right? Oh my. Oh. Okay. He's almost dead. Come on, man, hit your shots. Oh. He's not healing, is he? No, he's not healing. Oh, not I guess. What time am I? I don't have much time left. The recording stops. I'll let you know if I win or not. Oh, I hit him. I hurt him too. No. Nope, you thought. Oh, yep, you can fire your fireballs all you want. Oh, that was a good shot. That was satisfying. I could have taken that shot. I could have taken the hit. Oh. Accept your fate. Accept it. Oh, my diamond chest plate's almost gone. Oh, that hurts. Look, come here. There you go, bud. Get it all out. All I need you to do is just get a little bit closer. Come on. A little bit. Just one more shot. He's one more shot. Come on. He's one more shot. Oh, this is it. This is it. Come here. This is it. This is it. This is it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is you in Valhalla. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Where'd he go? Oh, 800 him. Beep, boop. Nope. Nope. Bop. Got him. Okay, where's the other thing? My recording's gonna end in like 4 minutes, but it's okay. Come on, it's gotta be somewhere, right? The path to, oh, there it is, the path to the end city. Right into my crosshair. Hey, bud. Why is it so far out? This is where your boy gets kind of scared. Cause I don't like bridging like this. When I fall, that's over. Yes, my golden apple was my my prize. I'm going straight for the Elytra. I'm not fucking around. I'm going straight for the Elytra. Did you hear that too? Come on. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. 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 That's not. That's not okay. It's illegal. Oh, come on. Okay, just to save my own ass. Just to save my own ass. So I do not want to use another death totem. Okay, well the recording is going to end in 30 seconds. So, dude, we freaking got him, dude. We freaking got him. You know what? I'm just gonna turn these guys off. They're really annoying. Okay, well. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed the fight. I'll see you in like 3, 2, 1.